Brazil could become uninhabitable, says NASA study. The United States Aerospace Administration has analyzed studies and determined that Brazil could become uninhabitable within 50 years. The study determines the wet bulb analysis of a region, which represents the coldest temperature the place reaches when the humidity evaporates. Imagine the desert. In the desert the day is hot, but the night is extremely cold, but the desert doesn't cool down because of the evaporation of water, so that place is already defined as an uninhabitable region. Now think of a region called the cerrado. In the cerrado there is low humidity, and when it evaporates, the temperature drops until the humidity runs out. So the lowest temperature at the limit of evaporating humidity, this is the wet bulb. As it loses water, the wet bulb becomes less humid. So, according to satellite analysis, Brazil has destroyed a lot of its forests, and with the destruction of forests, water reserves are destroyed, and with that the bulb becomes less humid. As a result of this system of destruction, the observation bodies have determined that Brazil is heading towards becoming uninhabitable. This means that temperatures will rise to such an extent that the unprotected body could be in a critical state, which could lead to death. Brazil claims that it is reducing deforestation, but the problem is that in order for this tragedy not to occur, Brazil would have to have zero deforestation and a high level of reforestation. But this is not the case. It should be noted that this is not the only country with pessimistic forecasts, but several countries. These include South Asia, the Persian Gulf and the Red Sea, Eastern China, and parts of Southeast Asia. But we can see from the graph that countries considered to be developed are in a critical position with regard to the rise in temperature. In short, what we really have is a serious problem all over the world, with large swathes of the world becoming uninhabitable. In this case, it's a path to economic destruction, health problems, and increased mortality. Hello, our video has ended, but you will find much more news on our YouTube channel, Busca de Verdade, and on our website reformadoresdesod.com. News and videos and texts with various tips on health, historical themes, archaeological, educational, principles and virtues, mathematics and physics, geography and science, methodologies, and much more. Join our channel and our website and you will see millions of topics covered there. Do not waste time. Knowledge is power. We wait for you there. Until later.